Hey guys, in this video today, we're going to talk about top 5 best gas range oven available on the market today. We have compiled this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. Considering as best gas range oven for their quality, features, and values, we have narrowed them down for the best possible choice you can make. For more information and updated pricing about the product, do check the given links in the description box below. So, here are the best gas range oven brands' consumer ratings and reports. Let's start by number 1. J Cafe CGB 500P2 MS 130-inch gas range. Although it's a bit pricey, we're convinced that the Cafe is the best gas range for your money. To give you lots of flexibility, it has 5 burners, including a high-powered one for quick boils and an oval center burner for a griddle, included with the Cafe. If you like asking Alexa or Google Assistant to do things for you, you can add preheating the oven to their chores, as this model works with both voice assistants. Overall, this is the best gas range you can buy. Number 2. Samsung NX58H5600SS gas range. The Samsung NX model gas ranger is a simple, well-designed gas range that offers plenty of cooking options, thanks to a large, 5.8 cubic foot oven and 5 burners. The center burner is oval to accommodate the included griddle, great for making pancakes, frying bacon and other uses. We also like the design of this range, with large dials up front and an easy-to-use control panel. Number 3. GEJGB635REKSS Sealed Burner Range. If you're looking for gas cooking and are on a budget, the best gas range for you is the GEJGB635REKSS. This low-cost model has less cooking power than more expensive options. The oven is 5.0 cubic feet, which is plenty large for a Thanksgiving turkey, and it has only 4 burners, so there's no center griddle. This GE comes in a variety of finishes, including black, stainless steel or white. Number 4. Samsung NX58K7850SS Gas Range. Gas cooks who need a very flexible oven will find a lot to love in this one. It's one of Samsung's fancy Flex Duo models, which means that it has one large oven that can be divided into 2. If you need to cook 2 things at once, let's say broil some burgers and bake a pan of brownies, simply insert the divider and you have 2 ovens. Each of these can run at a different temperature and has an individual timer. Number 5. BOSCH HGI 8056 UC Stainless Gas. A slide-in range gives you the upscale look of a built-in unit. While the BOSCH 800 series is a step up in price from most freestanding models, it's a lot less expensive than a custom-fitted or professional-style range and is still a significant upgrade when it comes to aesthetics. It has heavy-duty construction, a glass panel and metal control knobs. As you would expect at this price, the oven comes with 3 racks and is self-cleaning. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next videos.